extrude again the z-axis, then I'll push it down to here. Then I'll extrude again in the z-axis. I'll push to this size. Then I'll scale outwards like this. So I'm scaling all these vertices. When you look in the 3D view, this is what is going on. So I'm in the front view. So I'll extrude again downwards like this. So initially we have something like this. So I'm pretty sure our goblet is taking shape. Alright, so what do I do next? So from here, it is simple. We'll go back to the top vertices here. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I'll go back to the front orthographic view. Then what I'll do, I'll zoom in like this so that I can have access to the top vertices. Then I'll grab them using G and then place Z so that I can lock them in the Z axis. So I'll push them upwards a bit. Then I'll stretch or scale them outwards like this. Great. Then what I'll do next now is that I will extrude again, but I will not move these vertices. I will snap this by clicking the left mouse button. Sorry. I will extrude, then snap by clicking the left button. What I'll do, I'll zoom in, then scale these vertices inwards like this. Okay, then what I'll do from here, I'll extrude again, then this time I'll extrude inwards like this. So when you check, this is how it is. Then I'll scale inwards to make sure that I have this even size in the edges from both left and right. Alright, then what I'll do, let me grab the z-axis and then just push them inwards, then scale. Just make sure that the size on the edges is just the same. Then zoom out and then do this. Wow. So this is what we have just made on our cube. So let's go back to the front view. Then what I'll do, I'll create another group of vertices that will cut through this part here by clicking Ctrl plus T, then Ctrl plus R. So after you place Ctrl plus R and click on where you want to place the new vertices, then from there you snap out using the right mouse button, then scale in. So this is the special effect that I'm looking for by actually introducing these new vertices. Alright. I think we should be almost. Let me go back a little bit. Okay, so this line was not supposed to be there. So what I'll do, I'll go back to the front view, press R, click there, snap out, and scale inwards like this. Okay, alright. So I'm pretty sure we are moving in the right direction. So now what I'll do, I'll just change the view. Instead of the wire mode, I'll click the Z button, then I'll go back to the solid mode. So in the solid mode, this is how our goblet actually looks like. So this is our goblet. So from here now, we should add some effects to beautify our object. So in this case, what I'll do, I'll go to modifiers, and then under modifiers, I'll pick something that will help transform our mesh here. So I'll click on the tab button and take this back to the object mode. Then from here, what I'll do is I'll go under modifiers here where we see this thing here. So I'll click on here, then click on add modifier. Then I'll look for a special type of modifier called the subdivision surface modifier. So I'll click on this modifier, and then what I'll do, here we have